And in less than 48 hours, the FDA could give the green light to COVID-19 Pfizer booster shots for those 16 and older. On Friday, a panel of experts will decide whether or not it will advise the FDA to approve the boosters. And there's been some controversy already. Fox 5's Kelsey Christensen spoke with a local infectious disease doctor who will be a part of that panel meeting on Friday. And she joins us live outside Rady Children's Hospital with more on the battle over booster shots. Kelsey.
Well, Pfizer says that data shows its boosters would actually up protection against the Delta variant, and now health experts are doing their full review.
The anticipated Pfizer booster shot for COVID-19 could be rolling out in the U.S. very soon. It comes as health experts say vaccine immunity isn't as strong against the highly contagious Delta variant.
And one way to improve that immune response is to give another dose of the vaccine, because when you do that, your immune system responds again and jacks up your antibody levels to a higher level,
meaning better protection against the virus. But FDA approval for the boosters isn't exactly going to be a slam dunk. Some top FDA officials have argued the average person doesn't need a booster yet, and that initial doses of the shot are still needed across the globe. Others believe there is a need for boosters, and President Joe Biden has announced plans for boosters by this month. Come Friday, a key meeting will take place. A panel of experts will decide whether or not to advise the FDA to approve the Pfizer boosters for those 16 and up. Infectious disease expert Dr. Mark Sawyer of Rady Children's Hospital is part of the panel. He believes the biggest discussion will be about safety.
The FDA committee is going to seriously look at the safety data of a third dose. Do we know whether the side effects of a third dose are the same as after a second dose, or are they worse, or are they better?
As for where Dr. Sawyer stands, he's still reviewing the scientific data. He's been a supporter of the FDA-approved boosters for the immunocompromised population and would like to see the pandemic get under control. But he reminds everyone the first two shots are key.
Boosters are great for people who are already vaccinated, but until we get those who have not been vaccinated to at least get vaccinated for the first time, we're still going to have problems with COVID.
Now, if this Pfizer booster is approved, the next step is going to be with the CDC. They would decide who would get this booster and when they should get it. Kathleen?
Our Kelsey Christensen, thank you.